Hello, kids. Welcome to English Easy Way. Today, we are going to learn 300 easy English sentences part 2 that you can use every single day. So, let's speak, learn, and have lots of fun together. Ready? Let's begin. Greetings and daily phrases. Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Good morning. I slept well. Good morning. I slept well. Hi there. I'm playing with my toys. Hi there. I'm playing with my toys. Hey. I'm doing great. Hey. I'm doing great. Good afternoon. I'm going to the park. Good afternoon. I'm going to the park. Hello. It's nice to see you. Hello. It's nice to see you. I had lunch. I had lunch. Good evening. My day was good. Good evening. My day was good. Nothing much is new. Nothing much is new. Hello. I missed you. Hello. I missed you. Good morning. I'm ready for the day. Good morning. I'm ready for the day. Hi. My family is doing well. Hi. My family is doing well. Hey. I have plans for the weekend. Hey. I have plans for the weekend. Good afternoon. School is going well. Good afternoon. School is going well. Hello. I did something fun today. Hello. I did something fun today. Hi. My trip was amazing. Hi. My trip was amazing. Good evening. I watched a good movie. Good evening. I watched a good movie. Hello. I read a good book. Hello. I read a good book. Hello. How are you? Say it together. Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Likes, hobbies, and favorites. I love pancakes for breakfast. I love pancakes for breakfast. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. I enjoy painting. I enjoy painting. I am playing a new game. I am playing a new game. I have a pet dog. I have a pet dog. We are having pasta for dinner. We are having pasta for dinner. I like to draw for fun. I like to draw for fun. My favorite sport is soccer. My favorite sport is soccer. The best part of my day was playing outside. The best part of my day was playing outside. I went to the beach. I went to the beach. I enjoy listening to music. I enjoy listening to music. I like to watch cartoons. I like to watch cartoons. My favorite subject is math. My favorite subject is math. I play the piano. I play the piano. I love hiking. I love hiking. I play basketball. I play basketball. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite holiday is Christmas. My favorite holiday is Christmas. I love chocolate ice cream. I love chocolate ice cream. I like riding my bike. I like riding my bike. I enjoy visiting the zoo. I enjoy visiting the zoo. I like flying kites. I like flying kites. I enjoy playing video games. I enjoy playing video games. Wow, kids! You just practiced 300 easy English sentences. Keep repeating these every day, and soon, you'll speak English confidently. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Easy Way, where learning English is always fun and easy.